Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Today is a special day because we are dropping off the C63 for Downpipes. Welcome back, and I just wanted to start the build, have a few plans. So this is the start of building this car into a monster. So I got the downpipes ready to go right here. And they've been actually here for a while, but I wanted to start this process for building this car together. So I have some stuff planned, I have some downpipes planned, some other things planned, which we're gonna do a build series, so you guys will see. But let's start loading this up, heading to the mechanic, dropping it off, and then we'll pick it up and see how these downpipes are. I'm on the way to drop the car off. I got my pups with the M4, so that way I can come back home after dropping the car off. He hates driving cars. I had to force him to drive the M4 because it's the only thing that was available right away in the driveway. But yeah, it looks nice though, looking rolling. But anyways, Joe, I got they're called RVG downpipes. A couple of my friends run them, so I've had good luck with them running these downpipes, so I thought I'd bite the bullet there as well. And we're going to Deseado 10, and he's gonna do the install. He was the quickest guy I could find right now to do it, and he said he'll bang it out in about you know, a couple of hours. So I said, okay, no problem, let's do this, buddy. All right, we're gonna unpack the downpipes. We're at Tan Shop. Welcome to Tan Shop. I say hello, everybody.
Hey guys.
All right, Deseado. He's gonna do the install. He knows better than I do. I just know how to order parts. So yeah, these are the downpipes, bro.
Let's see the goodies.
Yeah, these are the goodies, bro. All right. And then there's some clamps in there.
Perfect.
All right. And I'm assuming non-catted, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I'll get the tune after. So
sensors are gonna go there regardless.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna tune it after. I'm gonna deal with the tune because heavy on the pockets, so probably deal with it a little later. Okay. So yeah, and then once you have them installed, feel free to, you know, take it for a rip. But there is not that much gas in there.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Sorry about that. Actually, I had to go to work. That's why. All right, later.
All right, so we are getting rid of these things today. These big cannons over here. All right, we're gonna chop these things up and put downpipes on. Yeah, so these are the big boys right here, all the way at the top. Not easy. All right, and they go up to here, all the way to the turbos at the top. A lot of things have to be removed, cut, and kind of customized just to get to the main bolts and the hardware at the top and here. All right, keep you posted. So obviously there's always hiccups because of the weather here and rust. So these two clamps, we're gonna have to put new ones in because they're rotted to shit, as you can tell. This one came off, but I'd rather just put new ones so I don't have any issues in the future. This one snapped. You can see the rust build up. Even after torching it, still snapped. So we are gonna be replacing these two clamps on the bottom. They give us the upper ones in the middle, go up there, but not the bottom ones. All right, just an update.
All right, well, today's the day. We're picking up the car from 10.
Ready.
It's finally ready. And put it in Sport Plus mode, okay?
All right,
and there was a few hiccups, which I'll talk about later, but you know how to put it in Sport Plus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, Sport Plus. There you go. Oh my God damn. Yo, that sounds mean, bro. Hold on. One more time. 1 second. Ready? All right, go. Yo, it sounds mean, bro.
Drive it?
Huh?
It's gonna sound a lot better when you drive it.
Yeah, I know.
This is not, the rev limiter's at 4, right?
Yes, yeah.
When you drive it?
And I'll get gas for it right now too, yeah.
That's why I didn't want to rev it.
Yeah, don't worry, I got you. Thanks, bro, I appreciate it. Yo, it changed the whole car. Oh my god.
The turbos.
Yeah, you
Nice
can.
too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some filters for this thing.
Yeah.
The Zach Motorsport carbon filters.
Yeah.
So I'll get those added here too. We'll do it slow and steady, bro. But yeah, thank you, brother. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any sort of work you need on your cars, man, like Tan's always taking care of me. So DC Auto, what's your address?
2070 Steels, unit number 7, Brampton.
Okay, awesome, bro. So
Yes.
this guy takes care of the R8, well, all the German cars that I got home. He knows this shit, and he's really specialized in like the VQ stuff,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, so he really knows the stuff on that end. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna quickly just take care of the bill, and then I'll be right back to the car. So some of the hiccups we had with the car, there was the clamp at the top of the mount. I'll put a video up. It wasn't lining up, but we had to sort of maneuver the downpipes around to do it. Tan made me a video, but this car sounds insane. I gotta get gas for it. Oh my god, bro, this car sounds insane. It has completely changed the car. Holy shit, guys, this is wild. All right, so we're gassed up. I need an alignment on this thing, so I gotta take it in for alignment on the weekday, so don't mind that. It's a little bit off right now because I did get the car lowered and then adjusted and some stuff with the tire rims, etc. But this is how the car sounds in comfort mode with the exhaust valve on. So you can hear the turbos a lot more, which is insane, which is great. And then when you put it into Sport Plus mode, the RPMs climb with the downpipes, and it even sounds more potent. So then it starts to do the cracks and burbles and all that stuff. So now you got the cracks and burbles, downpipes with the low. Yeah, it has completely changed the car, and I would highly advise anybody with a W205 C63 to get downpipes. And it's not loud in comfort mode at all, so that's great. And if I put the car into sport mode, the RPMs go down again, so again it's just more sportier. And then comfort mode, you can drive the car because the valves are closed, so it's great. Like it doesn't have any drone at 120 130 kilometers an hour. It's like amazing. I am actually, funny enough, I installed downpipes. I don't have any check engine lights, but from what I hear is that the check engine lights usually come about a couple hundred kilometers of driving the car, so I know it will come. And then I'm gonna do the tune on it, so we'll wait till that time. And so I need the tune, I need a alignment, and basically the car is going in for a wrap. So we will reveal that to you soon as well. I'm gonna bring you those couple of videos because I want to introduce you to who's doing the wrap, what we're doing, all that stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll get a little bit of revving clips maybe on the driveway. I'll get you guys some revving clips. And I'm super happy with this outcome of the exhaust just sounding so nice on the car. It makes me want to drive the car a lot more because the M4 has a M Performance exhaust, and that thing sounds really nice. So I didn't want to like be driving this car around so quiet. Anyways, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and I'll give you guys a clips of how this baby sounds. And let's get her started. All right, so I put the car in Sport Plus mode, and I'll put the camera down for you guys.